Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to be talking about some common exercise myths and separating the facts from the fiction. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, it can be tough to know what advice to follow. There's a lot of conflicting information out there, and it can be tough to know what's true and what's not. That's why we're here to set the record straight and debunk some of the most common exercise myths. Myth 1. You need to exercise for hours every day to see results. This is one of the most pervasive myths out there, and it can be really intimidating for people just starting out on their fitness journey. The truth is, you don't need to spend hours at the gym every day to see progress. In fact, the American Heart Association recommends just 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, which is just a little over 20 minutes per day. Of course, everyone's fitness goals are different, and you may need to exercise more or less depending on what you're trying to achieve. But the key is to find a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. Myth 2. No pain, no gain. This is another common myth that can lead people to push themselves too hard, too fast. While it's true that exercise can sometimes be uncomfortable, it shouldn't be outright painful. If you're experiencing sharp pain or discomfort during a workout, it's important to stop and take a break. It's also important to listen to your body and take rest days when you need them. Pushing yourself too hard can lead to injury, and it's important to give your body time to recover and repair. Myth 3. Cardio is the most important type of exercise. While cardio is an important component of a well-rounded fitness routine, it's not the be-all and end-all of exercise. Strength training, in particular, is important for building muscle, maintaining bone density, and improving balance and coordination. In addition, strength training has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, as well as a reduced risk of heart disease. So don't neglect the weights and give strength training a try. Myth 4. You have to spend a lot of money on gym memberships and fancy equipment. While it's true that there are a lot of expensive gym memberships and fancy equipment out there, you don't necessarily need to break the bank to get in shape. There are plenty of bodyweight exercises you can do at home or outdoors that don't require any equipment at all. In addition, you can often find used exercise equipment at a fraction of the cost of new items. The key is to find what works for you and your budget. So there you have it, some common exercise myths debunked. Remember, the key to a successful fitness routine is to find what works for you and your body. Don't be afraid to try new things, but also be sure to listen to your body and give it the rest and recovery it needs. Happy exercising!